This is the finished look of the wool. Next we will sew the ears. Insert the needle. Fold the ears slightly in half. Find the part of the slip stitch that serves as the middle line, and on either side of the middle line, place our ears. Fix the position of the ear with a marker pin.
Got the kick.
Insert the needle into the closed piece at a point under wool. Draw the yarn tight. Follow this method to sew the other ear. This is the appearance of sewn ears. Next we will embroider the nose and mouth. Find the right place to add the eyes. Then we find the place to embroider. Take a marker pin and mark it. Take out the thread and separate the yarn weave. We only take part of it, because we don't want the thread to be too thick. Insert the needle. Start sewing a nose and mouth. Needle entry from one side through the center a little to the left.
Kick.
If you have extra yarn tail, insert the needle back into the point where it came out, and out of a different point on the other side of the piece. Cut the yarn tail as close to your piece as possible. If the yarn tail is still visible, just massage your piece until it disappears. Place the eyes in the position just marked. If this toy is for a baby or pet, embroider the eyes instead. It's done.